Sometimes the simplest recipes are the best, so I have a pound of strawberries, which I'm going to just wash and then cut up. Into small pieces. And then I cut up these ends, like that. So now I'm just going to cut up the strawberries into small pieces. I'm just going to put these in the bowl. Here's my little secret. I also add some canned peaches. And then I add some sugar and mix it all up. So the amount of sugar can vary. So you can just add as much sugar or as little sugar to your taste. I actually like to use sliced peaches in heavy syrup, although I just got ones in juice. But my favorite combination is a can of peaches in heavy syrup and add a 1/3 cup of sugar for a pound of strawberries. But you could add anywhere from a 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup, and you can use peaches in juice or heavy syrup or not use them at all. But that's just my preference because I like my topping to be very runny and syrupy. Now I'm going to put the cake together, and I'm just going to use Entenmann's. So I'm just going to cut up one of these So I'm going to slice this into half because I don't like thick piece of cake. I want thin slices of cake. Like that. Now I'm going to put some topping on top. This has been sitting in the refrigerator overnight and it's really delicious. And then I'm gonna use some whipped cream. And then I'm going to put another slice on top. Put some more topping. And then put some more whipped cream. Okay, so I just put a few more pieces of fruit on top and I'm going to eat this. This is better than most fruit and cream cakes you'll get from the bakery. So delicious. And you can make this at a fraction of the cost. It'll cost you at most like $1.50 to make this. But you have to pay about $5 for a slice of cake from the bakery. And this tastes really, really delicious.